is the progress so far. We're getting somewhere, guys. Happy I got rid of my couch. I don't think I want to keep this. This was given to me from my neighbor. It's a good quality piece, but there's some wear and tear on it, and honestly, I don't really want to bring it with me. Yesterday, I ended up in the urgent care because I woke up and I couldn't speak. I lost my voice. My throat was killing me, still killing me, but I was negative for strep and all that good stuff, so I don't know, maybe it's just a viral thing, but the moving journey is still going on, guys.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
We are blessed and we are highly favored. Ain't nothing I can't push through with some tea and some medicine. Right now, what I'm gonna work on is I have all my vases that I took from underneath my kitchen sink, and I'm just gonna wrap them with some tissue paper so that they don't break in the process. My clothes, I figured out an easier method. I'm not gonna just take piece by piece and try to fold it and put it in a box. We're not doing that. I got some big storage bags, and we're gonna just wrap our clothes on the hanger so that we can just take from one place to another. It'll be so much easier to do it that way. So today I'm gonna just do some stuff in the kitchen and then also get my clothes out the way. We are literally moving in a day. So tomorrow I'll get the keys and we're gonna be moving in. Once we get the keys, you already know. So stay tuned for this because we're gonna do like a little house tour and we're gonna decorate together. I also wanted to ask you guys, this was on my mind and I thought that it would be super cool if we did this. Being that I'm out here with no family and stuff like that, do you guys think it would be cool if we did like a housewarming unboxing type of thing? I can, make an Amazon registry and just do a little wish list. If you guys can, it's not obligated, you know what I mean? But it would be so cool if you guys bought some stuff off of that. And then I do like an unboxing with you guys. So we basically have like a virtual housewarming together. Oh my God, excuse me guys, my throat is still like crazy, but I think that would be good. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna get a P.O. box. That's on my to-do list. I'll link the Amazon wish list and you guys can just click on it and then you'll see all the stuff that I have on my wish list and you can get something if you'd like. Guys, how am I gonna get these TVs off the wall? I paid for somebody to come and mount them. I don't want to pay for somebody to take it down just to pay for them to put it back up. So we're gonna have to YouTube something. I'm trying to save as much money as I can. You guys know moving can be very costly. So we're gonna have to figure out how to take the TV down. I don't think it should be that hard. I know what y'all gonna say, ask so-and-so. We're not doing that. If they could do it, then I wouldn't have been mentioning it. Therefore, we're gonna have to get some assistance. Definitely need some type of drill. Take this screw out and that screw in. I think we're gonna be good because I'm not gonna take it off the back. Lord, kitchen's not that bad. Like I said, I went through the junk drawers already, so like I just basically cleaned out most of this stuff. I can just put this in a box. It's really just nothing, honestly. This drawer is pretty much empty right now, so got that out the way. Underneath here is just some cleaning stuff that I didn't want to box away. I didn't want to just box away everything, but it's just really my my vases that I need to wrap. I didn't realize how many vases I actually owned until I started doing this. I don't know why. I have more than this. Under the sink is pretty empty. Like I said, I was already doing stuff. I already boxed up a lot of stuff, but I did want to keep some stuff while I'm still here, you know? Even though you're all alone, I just want to keep you on. Look at him. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, riding with her. Like, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever. I was able to get rid of the wall art. I told you guys this before. This is such a great thing to have in your house because it does not mess up your wall. It does not create any holes, so you don't have to worry about going back in and like spackling and stuff. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's easy. All I'm gonna do is just wipe these walls down just to get rid of any dust, but there's no holes, there's no mess. And I'm definitely gonna do it again at my new place. I'm almost for certain that I'm gonna get rid of these bar stool chairs. They're super cute. Got them off of Amazon, but again, with kids and the wear and tear, they literally destroyed it. Beautiful chairs, beautiful aesthetic for the kitchen. I'm thinking if I revisit these again, we're gonna go with some type of fabric. These are not even worthy of selling. I'm just gonna give them away, put them outside and see who wants them, honestly. A little intermission, got a quick little acai bowl. I haven't had much of an appetite, but one thing about me, we gonna eat some fruit.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
This closet, surprisingly, is gonna be a walk in the park because I just recently went through it and stuff, and a lot of my stuff is still boxed up. This is just important paperwork. I have a safe, some more decor, the Christmas tree box, some linens, and also just like my hair stuff, like my hair products and stuff, like the bags and all that. So this is gonna be easy. I think I'm just gonna take this, all of the boxes at the top, and then I'm just gonna shift it over here. That way it'll just be much easier. We just grab and go.
It's round me, ride it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
I could not find my ring camera and I found it.
By. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
You're supposed to be helping me pack. Instead, you're on your iPad. Why are you not helping me?
I want to play more high clear headphones.
Tell me about those headphones, because they look pretty spiffy.
They can sing and they can have a speaker and you can tell which ear to put it in. L, R.
Oh, so we have an L and an R, so it tells you which ear to put in.
That's an ear. That's what this way. You can also fold like this.
Wow, so they're flexible. You can fold them in if you want to fold them in. And these are noise canceling headphones, which are really great because it goes to a certain level, which will not hurt the children's ear. Also good for him to learn and to focus. He loves to play on ABC Mouse, so it helps him to learn his letters, his numbers, without the distractions of any noise from his siblings or the TV or even something that I may be doing. It's also great for iPads and tablets. Best part about it is that it's wireless. So really good for Justice because this helps him to focus. You know, when they're at this age, they get very distracted easily, but as you can see, he's focused on doing his letters. These headphones are really great. They start from ages 3 and up, and I think that this is a great gift for any child who is into the iPad and tablet phase, which I feel like almost all children love. School is very important in our household, so to know that I found headphones that my son loves and it allows him to focus for a longer period of time to do his work, just a win-win. And also when I'm on the go, out and about, and we have to travel, kids can get bored in the car, especially if you're driving long distances. These iClever headphones, lifesaver. I don't hear a peep out of him. Definitely think it's a great investment to have. He in his zone, yeah, I'm telling you. It's great for music. He can't even hear anything I'm saying right now. But the volume is safe so that it will not hurt your child's ear. So it goes up to a certain level where it will not cause any damage. You can see he's enjoying his show. He absolutely loves it. And one thing that I really like is that it's very comfortable fitting for children. Sometimes headphones can be very uncomfortable, fit perfectly for children. That way they're able to focus and they don't feel gonna keep moving and touching it and like trying to adjust it. If you're interested, I will link it down below. It's a really great gift for children, especially during the holidays. They have them in different colors. They're very affordable, but yet very effective. Check them out. I'll put the link down in the description if you're interested. It comes with a USB charge. It comes with a bag. They're foldable, they're flexible, portable. You can bring them out anywhere and pack them on the go. So thank you, iClever, for sending these to Justice. He loves them so much. Again, the link will be in the description below.
Made for me, made for me, just for me.
Last time you guys saw me, I was telling you guys that I wasn't feeling good. Later that night, I got worse and went back to urgent care. Only for them to tell me I was positive for the flu. When I went earlier, they just tested me for strep. I've been feeling so freaking bad. And when I tell you bad, I mean down bad. This flu is nasty work. When I tell you aches, pains, I mean fever, everything, stomach hurting. This is not for the weak. It's no joke out here. And it's crazy because I was just sick. When it rains, it pours. I swear the devil be trying to get me. Y'all know me. Y'all know it's hard for me to lay in the bed. I was in the bed for 2 days. Forced myself to take a shower today. And I was like, I'm going to finish. If nothing else, I'm going to get this room together. Everything is coming together. But when you feel like hell, oh my God, my eyes are watering. It's so hard. It's so hard to get stuff done. It's like I'll get a boost of a little bit of energy. And then I got to lay down. Last time I had the flu, I think I was like in my teens. And now I feel like the older you get, the harder it is to recover. Like your body just, it doesn't bounce back like it used to.
Simply Michelle.